Today I am going to make it a hill station, even also we can say as a landscape which got a hilly areas. For that, please take your pencil, your shading pencil, your light pencil. If you took it your pencil, we are going to start. Here one slipping line at the mid center of our page. One slanting line going towards upside, again coming down. Again one slanting line going upside, coming down. One more slanting line going towards upside. One more going towards upside. One more at the back side. Here my mountain area is ready. Now I'm going to make it shades, few cracks of the mountain. Same thing here, even here, even here, and few here. Here my mountain is ready. Now I am going to shade it. I am giving it a light shade with a slanting dribbling. I am going to make it all right side. First you have to start it very small shade and then go to big and then small. Same thing here. Make it from small, then little bit big and then small. Now same thing here, one more. Same thing in another, all right direction. Do it slowly. Go to another one. Give slanting strokes. And on the right side, same thing here. Make it small, portion is small. Done. Now I'm going towards bushes, few bushes growing up. I'm going to make it this landscape far away. Its position is far away. Now this I want to show as a water area. I am doing shade very lightly. You can show few lines on it. Again few bushes on the end part. Here my bush is going to finish. Now one path which is going towards away, one curve, one more curve which is going towards a path which is going to finish here nearby water. This is the fence where it is made at the end of the pool. I'm showing this as a short pull. Again turning it. This is a fence where we can hold it. This is a place where people can stand or sit, and few lines for showing the wooden path, slipping line, and few trees at the end point. Right now I am making bushes and then I am going to make a tree. Here is my bushes done. Same thing here. Using dark pencil. Now I am going to make a tree. Then make it dark first. When it goes upside, make it with a smaller part. When it goes upside, make it small. Here my tree is ready. Now one more tree here. Same thing. First of all spread it big, then medium, more medium, more medium, one more medium, and lastly very simple small one. Here done. If you want to show some long grasses, you can show long grasses by giving the strokes upside. Even same here too. This is a bank side of the water, and here I am going to make it one man who is doing fishing. A man is doing fishing and a small kid standing beside that man. Few shades in the wooden road. At a one point. Now I am using my hand tone for giving a dark shade. If you have a tissue paper, you can use your tissue paper. Now I am going to show one sun which is hiding down at the center of our mountain. That is our sun. Make it erase by using eraser. Here our erase is ready. If it is not shown, you can show with your pencil. Few birds. A drawing is very far away, so you have to make it tiny birds. And one boat using two slanting lines, one slipping line, one more slanting line, make it dark and straight for making the blower. Here one man sitting on a boat. Here my drawing is ready.